Like I was saying yesterday's video, we're bringing the doji to get cleaned. Kasiki, hey, that's not you. That's a little. That's a new frame. Hey, good boy. Hey, you happy? You gonna get clean? Yeah, you happy, Bubba boy? This is before. He's gonna be a poof ball after, I hope. All right, we just dropped the doji off.
Just for your luck.
Yep. We didn't get to hear him scream. We left before he saw us leave. Luckily. Now we gotta wait like an hour and go pick him up. We are on our way to pick the Kasika boy up. He is done being cleaned. I wonder if he's gonna be happy to see us or extremely mad at us. It's gonna be one of the two.
Probably the best behaved shepherd I've ever had.
Really?
Honestly.
Oh, that's so sweet.
He whined, but he was perfect.
He's all caught up.
Yes, sir.
Too excited. Too excited, Kasika.
Feels so good. I'm so soft.
Hey,
About two
get out of there.
softball wands of hair on the tip.
Yes, boy. I know. Is it torture?
Super
Is
excited.
it torture? No. I know.
Oh my god. You eat. You serious.
Do I want that as a sticker?
Okay. You're free. Hey, Bubba boy, how was that? Hey, we gotta wait for Marissa. You excited, Bugs? Yes, I think you boy. You smell so good too. Hey, Kasiki. Hey, what's up?